Hello guys, back with me Xiao Cat, and today I will recording unboxing of keyboard CM Storm Quickfire XT. And I think this is keypad of Vortex PBT double shot. Green. It's green. Tada. Okay, then let's opening it and tada. Wait a minute. And tada, this is the look of it. We'll be opening it. Oh yeah, we get this thing to, well, it's very useful for computer, but not that useful for laptop though. Well, I have a computer in here, so it's not a problem. Haha. Okay, then let's back with it. Tada! Oh my god, so hot. The keyboard itself is so heavy and it's so it's the CM Storm Quickfire XT. Cool, huh? It's very classic with some you hear that sound? You hear that sound? Oh, I mean this is blue. Yeah, this is blue. Cherry switch blue. It feels good. Well, the last keyboard I have is Armageddon Kai 13 non-mechanical keyboard. So this is my first time I get my mechanical keyboard for me. Well, let's take this out, tada, into the side, and make this gun. Okay, so what we get here is right. Okay, cool. And oh, we get this. In this we get some flexible key, WASD, WSD, and key puller, and escape key, I think. Yeah, escape key. Okay. And we get, oh my god, go. Okay, we get the connector, WSB gold plated and have a nice braided. See, it's braided. Well, braided cable is very good. It's very durable, and gold plated have a better conduction for PC. So it was great. It's great. Okay, then it's all for the keyboard. Now for our main thing again. Tada! Put it here. Tada! Keycaps. Keycaps Vortex Green. The price itself almost 70 bucks of dollar. Well, it sucks. It's almost the same price as the keyboard itself. Let's open this. And the thing itself from here is, I think I get green. Oh, sorry. This better. Nice quality. I think I'm in love with this. So thick. Ooh. And it was double shot, so the legend itself won't be, erased or something like that. It's so very durable. Oh, I'm in love with this. Smooth skin. Okay, let's go back with our opening. And we get here this thing. Ooh. Okay, it's for Vortex PBT double shot B green. Well, it was good. Well, this is all for my unboxing Quickfire XT. Gemstorm Quickfire XT. These things, tada, and Vortex PBT keycaps. Then bye bye.